My name is Mr. Michael. I'm here from the World Bank. I'm doing a financial assessment of the different tribes right here in Nigeria.
What did you say now?
I'm doing an assessment of the different tribes right here in Nigeria.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much, sir. Could you please go ahead and introduce yourself, please?
Introduction. My name is Jimo Ibrahim. I'm from Ondo State, Ileoluji to be precise.
Olu?
Ileoluji. Ileoluji, àwọn àjẹ́ máa ń fò in the middle of the night.
Is that part of the address where you're from?
No. Gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ. Mo ní àwọn àjẹ́ máa ń fò in the afternoon. Àwọn ìyá mi òṣòròǹgà.
You have airlines in your village.
Oh my God.
Sir, what do you do for a living?
A living?
Yes, sir.
I'm alive now.
No, what do you do for a living?
Yeah. I'm alive. Are you not talking to me right now?
What do you do to make money to sustain yourself?
Oh, God! You should have said that before. You see, the things I do are very diversified. It comes from different angles. As an Igbo man, I'm into different chains of businesses. I import, I export, I even deport.
So, importer, exporter,
deporter.
What do you do for a living, sir?
Cocoa plantation. You know, from my forefathers in 1908, he passed it down to me. Cocoa plantation. You know, we deal in Bonfita, we deal in Milo. You know all those Cadbury people, when they want to do Choco Milo, I want nothing back nowhere.
That's wonderful, sir. Sir, as part of our research, we found that most rich Igbo men have no poor friends. Is this true?
Which means if you're a poor man and the rich man sits next to you, there is a probability or liability that he will transfer your poorness to the rich man.
A contagious disease.
Thank you very much. Take it at school. Like Ebola. Like Ebola. Yeah? Did I shake you?
Yes, sir.
So will you?
No, I'm doing.
Sir, how will you?
Baby, need you let you know. Or a boy. Sound so 10 or a remix. Excel. Let's go.